The buying zone is the point at which your lead and your prospect is ready to become a client. These are the people or the individuals that actually want your product and your service right now. They've more than likely done the research, they've got the finances in place to afford you, the stars have aligned, everything is working perfectly. They've phoned you and they've said, I want your business now. It's at that moment that you're going to celebrate, get excited, and naturally provide them with the service that they require. Here's the challenge with the buying zone, and I want to describe this to you if I can. If you can imagine that you've got two lines parallel to each other, so there's a gap between the two lines, that is what we call the buying zone. Here's what happens to a lead. They come in, they're interested about your product, they enter the buying zone, and then suddenly a situation changes for them. It may be that they're having a dispute with their business partner. They may have had a client who didn't pay their bill on time, so it's left them a little bit short of cash flow. So what actually happens, they come out of the buying zone and they go into the warm zone. And then something else changes for them. Perhaps they pick up an extra client or two, cash flow's doing great, they've brought on an extra staff member, that's created more opportunities. Suddenly they're back in the buying zone. However, something else happened, perhaps there's been a death in the family or their respective life partners become ill. So what's happened? They've come out of the buying zone, and so on and so on and so on. These are the challenges when you're looking at the ability for you to sell your product. You don't know when somebody is going to be in the buying zone and when someone is going to be out. The best thing that you can do for your business is to focus on providing the right information and being available for when that person is ready to strike hot with you. So, if you're wondering on how to work through the buying zone so that you can be better prepared for your clients when they appear, fill in the box below and let one of our team be of service to you. Alternatively, reach out to us through www.yourmarketingmachines.com.au and let us help you create a successful business.